You've got an Excel file that you previously password protected, but you don't want the password on there anymore. You want to know how to remove it? Well, I'm going to show you how to do that in this video. So the way to do that is to open up the file. You'll need the password for this, so type in whatever the password is. Okay, and I don't want to have to type in the password every single time I'm going to use the file now. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to remove the password protection. So to do this, I'll click on File, Info, and then you've got Protect Workbook. I'll click on this, I'll get the drop down, and you've got Encrypt with Password. Now this is what you would have clicked to actually set the password, but you're going to click it again, and the password that you're using is already going to be filled in here. If you remove that, so just delete it, and then press OK, and what it is now is actually remove the password. So I'll go back to the Excel file, I'm going to save it, and I'll just close down the file, and I've opened it just to show you that the password is not needed any longer, and that's how you remove your password. Thanks for watching the video. If you can subscribe to the channel, that'd be fantastic. Don't forget to like and comment down below. And now you know how to remove passwords from previously password protected files in Excel.